There were some tense moments in court today as Kristen Smart's father testified in the trial against the man charged with killing her at Cal Poly.
A former fellow Cal Poly student, Paul Flores, is charged with murdering Smart in 1996. His father, Ruben Flores, is charged with helping to cover up that crime.
KCRA 3's Lizzie Mitri was inside the courtroom today. We understand, Lizzie, there were some limitations inside the courtroom today as well.
Yes, definitely, Ty. Space in the Monterey County courtroom here was very limited because there are two juries in this case. So two juries inside at the same time, one for each, the father and the son, each on trial at the same time. And so the jurors are taking up some of the seats that would normally be available to the public. And then Kristen Smart's family was inside the courtroom as well, watching, with Paul and Ruben sitting together in front of the judge with their attorneys on either side of them. So everyone was in pretty close quarters in there today. Kristen Smart's father was on the stand. His name is Stan. He faced questions today for an hour and a half, mainly from defense attorneys. He said Ruben's attorney was being very argumentative with him, badgering, he called it. And when talking about a time he drove by Paul's dad, Ruben's house, Stan said he introduced himself to Ruben with a very friendly demeanor, like it is now, Stan said. To which the attorney responded, "I don't think it's very friendly." Prosecutors say Paul was trying to rape Kristen Smart at Cal Poly after a party when he killed her Memorial Day weekend in 1996 and then had his dad, Ruben, help him bury the body, which has never been found. But the father and son both have pleaded not guilty. They say there's no evidence even that a murder has occurred. Instead, they say they have been unfairly threatened and harassed for the last 26 years. The defense today focused on a flyer that Stan said he distributed. It was read with the word warning in all caps at the top, a picture of Paul at 19 years old, and it noted he was the last person seen with Kristen. It listed his father's address and phone number and a $10,000 reward for tips in the case. And so the defense was trying to make the point that those flyers with the phone number and address posted led to people visiting the house and calling the home with death threats. Testimony is wrapped up for the day. The end of this first week of what will be a very long trial is actually scheduled to last for more than 3 months. Live in Salinas, Lizzie Mitri, KCRA 3 News.
What a tough deal for Kristen Smart's family. Lizzie, thank you so much. And Kristen Smart's mom, Denise, took the stand on Thursday. She answered questions for 2.5 hours. Much of the testimony focused on what Kristen was doing right before she disappeared.